came from India and have studied masters in technology here in Australia. So I have done my masters in enterprise systems and business analytics, where I have successfully completed courses in which I have to visualize data and use data analytic tools in order to uh, render data. So I have developed interest. So during my course, I have done various different things, but I have developed my interest towards data analytics more. So that's the reason I'm here for a data analyst job.
All right, that's good. And how did you find out about our program?
Uh, so I was going through multiple websites. I was going through LinkedIn, and I was applying for many uh, internship programs and many companies. And so meanwhile, I've got this thing, and it had a small form which I had to fill out, and I filled out, and then I got a call from a guy named Ashraf, and he has given me details in regard to the internship, but I was not interested because I had already got an request from, like, I have already got a response from AI Australia in regards to my application for CRM business analysis. But as I said, I developed more interest towards data analytics. So I kept on applying, but then I have received a call from Suvidha, and she said me about this program, which was very helpful insight for me, and thus I thought to pursue this.
All right. Okay. And out of all the companies that you signed up for and probably got a response from, why did you choose my internship or our company?
Well, to be honest, I haven't got much responses. I've just got a response from AI Australia, and which was in relating to the CRM business analysis, which is customer relation management. And as I said, I want to pursue a career which has, which is more leaning towards technical stuff rather than a management stuff. And business analyst as someone who is more on the management side. I wanted to be more on a technical side. Thus, I thought, this program will help me out, and yeah, that's why I am going for it.
All right, great. And what are your expectations coming into the program? Because as you know, the classes or your classes are going to start next week already, right? 27th of July from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So before your classes start, what do you expect from it?
Before my classes start, I expect to be course ready. I expect to be, uh, be ready to learn, and be ready to excel whatever I'm gonna learn, so that it could help me crack my interview in the future.
All right, that's good. It's great that you are, you sound committed and you sound focused on making sure that you maximize the best out of this program because that's one important factor for you to succeed towards the end, right?
Yes.
Also, you mentioned AI Australia. They're one of the companies that we actually work with in providing interns in different parts of the business, like in HR, IT. Yeah, so that's why I'm familiar with them as well. All right. So, thank you so much for your time and for attending this quick